YouTube. So my mom was smart enough to walk to Dollar Tree, but she didn't know that it was gonna rain today. And here we are now. Look at this. It's kind of hard to tell, but look at the floor. Bro, I got thin shoes on. Bro, look at all these holes. Bro. Yeah. Yeah. This is bad. Oh, heck no.
Don't do that. That's too stupid. You're wetting me more than I'm already getting wet.
No, that's the wet?
Yeah, my back.
No, you know what else is wet? Me. Everywhere. I'm gonna shut her now. This is bad. This is really bad. Bro, this is crazy. That's right, I'm the only one with an umbrella. Cause you know, I'm about that life. That umbrella life. Oh, this out. This is crazy. I'm like the driest one here right now. My nose itches. This is bad. Mommy! Next.
Hey. You can go backwards. You got a photo.
What does it matter? He's still so.
Mommy!
She's a princess. She shows me in here.
So let him switch.
Mommy!
He got.
Somebody's gonna get soaked, it don't matter. She's already soaked. Look at her
Mommy,
legs.
next time you want to walk somewhere, make sure you check the weather.
Look at her legs. She looks miserable.
I know, that's why I put it
Go
down.
ahead. No,
Kayla.
get out, go over there.
Kayla, can you hold on an umbrella?
I gotta switch, okay? I'm
She
sorry.
looks miserable, bro.
All your toys.
F the toys, bro.
You can put her backwards.
This is bad.
No, but she's still gonna be dry, so it doesn't matter. I mean, her legs are still gonna get wet.
Alright, we're good, we're good. So we got the big old screw. Hold on. This is a good start to our vlog channel, right?
Not really. If we're gonna go, we might as well go now. At least halfway. There's
Bro,
nobody-
this
there's
is
nobody turning.
bad. I got thin shoes on. My socks are wet. Oh, frick, I can't run. Bro.
Go, look.
Look, we're not the only ones walking. Look at those people down there. This is your fault.
This is fun.
No, this is your fault. You wanted to walk. Next time, check the weather. Look at her.
This is
Look how
awesome.
wet she is.
This is so awesome.
You want to get wet or not? Oh, I thought it was thunder.
A day to remember.
Swear, motorcycle. Yeah, I'm recording. This is gonna go on our vlog channel. Right. No, I'm just stop. This is bad. Now remember that one time we were in Manhattan? Couldn't even open our eyes.
Like right now? My eyes are burning.
Oh, why?
Sweat.
Oh. What's that smell?
You can park the car. It's not busy on that side.
Alright, come on.
Oh! What the freak? Oh, you just bumped into me. I wasn't expecting you to do that. Got you, fam.
No matter.
Right?
Yeah.
Trying to go swimming?
Yeah, I'm swimming on my toes right now.
Mommy, want to find out where that leads to? Let's go swimming. That makes me want to go to a water park now. That makes me want to go to a water park.
Yep.
Bro, those are no wait, what was that one? It's like the toilet?
Toilet bowl? Yeah, never doing that again.
How bad is it? So what happens?
Right, sink right into the ground.
Can you breathe?
No, you're in the water!
How long do you can you have you
I don't know, but I was drowning.
how long do you have to hold your breath?
I have no clue.
So once you're I gotta see that. I'll probably drown.
I can't even swim. I don't know how I did that.
Isn't like the deeper you go, the pressure is stronger? Is the
That
water?
was crazy. I was so afraid.
Yeah. Today's an interesting day. Right, Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah, next time check the weather. Okay, Mommy?
This is cool. I like this.
Let's see, how's like...
Better than yesterday. Woo!
Well, that's it for this 6-minute vlog. We'll be back shortly with another video. I don't know when. Sometime this week. But yeah, that's pretty much it, right, Mommy?
Yep.
Right, Dada? We're done. Yeah, we're done. Yeah, we're quitting YouTube, right?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Yeah, we just started like 2 days ago. All right, that was boring. Bye-bye.